I'm waiting for Monroe to come do what she normally does at night when I'm on the computer. Hey. Hi. Do you need something? Do you need something? Huh? Huh? I'm sitting here at night and I'm working on the computer and she wants me to take her out or something. She comes and she jumps on me and it's adorable. Let's see if she'll do it. I have to ignore her. Oh. There's Tonka. There. Oh. 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 Do you need something, big girl? Oh, does Tonka need something? Do y'all need something? Oh, 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 oh. Don't fight over your mom's lap. Hey. Hi. Do you need something? Do you need something? Huh? Huh? What do you need? Oh, there's the big Tonkers. There's the big Tonkers. Oh, come here, Tonk. You want to come here too? They want me to take him outside because it's cold out there. Tonka, come here. Do you need something? Oh, no. Come back here. Tonka, get back here. You get back over here right now. Right here, Tonka. Tonka, come right. Oh, there it is. Do you need something? Huh? Do you? Come here. Oh, wait. Come here. Come here. Wait. Come here. Come here. Come on. Tell your mama. Tell your mama all about it. This is the kind of lovings that I get at night. When I'm on the computer and they want me to get down. And they're like, come on, Mom. Come get me. Come take me. Monroe, come here. Come here, Ro, baby. Come here. Tonka's like, no, don't jump on me. They're persistent. I'm almost done. I'm working. I'm answering comments. Making videos. So we can feed you. Doo, doo, doo. Man, don't you wish you could type that fast? Oh, whoops. She's sitting right here. It's too cute. Hey, Monroe. Monroe. Monroe, Monroe. What? Come here. Come here and ask me. Come up here and ask me. Come here. Hey. Well, I need you to come up here and tell me. Come here. Come whisper in my ear. Come here. Oh, Tonka's here. Come here. Come on. Oh, here it is. No, there it is. You can, in your mama's lap. You need, he says, Mom, I need you to come take care of me and let me go outside in the cold weather. I need to go outside in the cold weather. I love you. Oh, are you my big guy? Are you my big guy? He's like, let's go, Mom. Monroe says, yeah, Mom, let's go. Oh, I did it again. Stop that. Okay. So now we're going to go. Who's that? Who is that? Oh, look. He's grabbing Monroe's leash. You going to take Monroe for a walk? Monroe says, oh, I'll grab it. We're going for a walk. I'll get my leash. Where's it at? Where's my leash? Oh, no, I don't know. I need to find it.